So Varshini sent me this and I was literally craving for something sweet right now because I just finished my lunch. Ooh, it's cupcakes. It's cupcakes. It's cupcake. Muffins. That's Brooklyn Nine-Nine going on in the background. I was just chilling, resting, and now we're going to do cupcake muffin taste. It's cheesecake. I think it's cheesecake. It tastes so good. Oh my god, it tastes so good. So good. Love you, Vash. Thank you so much. Okay, this isn't actually that complicated. Basically, you just remove the cap and then you have like these three symbols over here. You just move it to the eye and it starts working, and then you can close it off. And then if you want to remove the hair after like everything, you just have to move it counterclockwise, and with this little brush over here you can just clean it all off, and then you can fix it back the same way and put it over here. Yeah, it's pretty. I'm not gonna try it right now. Maybe in my next vlog or something we can have a look at how this works on my skin. So basically I just got some ice cream from this place called Soft Serve. I am not very happy with how it... So I just had my lunch and I was craving some ice cream, and oh, it actually looks good. Okay, that packaging is actually good. Get it. Yes, so I've been to Soft Serve. Oh, sorry guys, it's just ice in the bag, and that's why... Is this dry ice? Guys, but honestly look, the ice is weirdly... Can you see? Okay, it's just falling on the ground. It's still giving out smoke. I'm assuming it's dry ice. So, okay, actually the packaging is wow. The best packaging for an ice cream, I swear. So this has got some vanilla ice cream, lotus biscoff, and some cheesecakes. I'm on cloud 9. This tastes so good. Oh, by the way, I'm going for a Halloween party tonight. It's not actually a Halloween party. So I've been going for dance classes the past month. So they are organizing a Halloween event over there, but we can come dressed up. I have some ideas in mind. So it is a very sudden plan. So I have decided on one costume with some little bit of makeup, which is not too much for me to, do in last minute. Yeah, I hope it turns out well. I'm very excited.